How una dey my people? Our topic today na who cryptocurrency help. Some people still dey doubt whether Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies na money. Dem no believe say dem fit use dis cryptocurrency. Today, I wan show una people and countries wey cryptocurrency don help. The first one na Venezuela. Venezuela na one country wey USA give dem one kind punishment wey dem dey call sanction. E mean say dem no fit buy or sell with people for international community. Dis thing affect dem no be small, sotey poverty come wear dem agbada. As dem no fit use their country money wey dem dey call Bolivia do anything again, na so dis people begin spend cryptocurrency. Sotey the government come create their own, come name their own cryptocurrency Petro. Another country na Zimbabwe. Poverty hook Zimbabwe no be small. Their money come useless, sotey na US dollars dem come dey spend instead of their Zimbabwe dollars. But as cryptocurrency come show face, na so dem embrace am. Although their government never still legalize am o, but Bitcoin don help plenty of dem. Bitcoin don also help plenty African people. One of dem na one 16-year-old Ghanaian boy wey dem dey call Elisha Owusu Akwa. The guy come learn how to build websites with him phone through YouTube. Na so him come dey help blockchain companies get plenty people online o. Na so the boy use blow. Another person na Eugene Mutai, na Kenyan man wey do plenty small work to take survive, even sotey him begin farm. Na so him come discover cryptocurrency mining. Na him come dey do sotey he create one company wey dem dey call Raise. Another person when cryptocurrency help na one Mufo Dagada, na South African man wey buy Bitcoin of just $200 for 2014, and by the year 2015 the thing don raise go $500. Na so the guy take Bitcoin seriously o. He come make money sotey he come write one book wey dem dey call Mr. Bitcoin, How I Became a Millionaire at 21. Another person when we go still talk about na our own person, Nigerian person. Him name na Gaius Chibueze. Dem dey call am Bitcoin Chief. He buy Bitcoin of just 100,000 naira and he come become millionaire. After like some years, he sef don write him own book wey him dey call How Bitcoin Changed My Life. All these people na people wey cryptocurrency don help. No over dey doubt am, the thing still fit help you too. Na wetin I get for una today be this. Join me next time for more ogbonge crypto and blockchain gist. Abeg use small time, click like, subscribe and share this information. Thank you.
My friend, time na money o. Make you not play with your work, you hear? Time well, no waka, no gossip, no spoil another man. Use your time well, do better thing. Money no dey fall from heaven, do better thing, money go come. Na true word I dey tell you so. Hey, true word no be cheat, my brother. No dey spoil person. Time well, no waka, no gossip, no spoil another man. Use your time well, do better thing. Money no dey come from heaven, do better thing. word I dey tell you so. Do better things.